Hey guys, this is Lemon Chia, and I'm going to be going through the best ways to find your designer deals. I kid you not, you can find designer products for so cheap, and I'm going to show you exactly the best way how to do it. There are 3 ways which I use. Number 1 is shopping online at fashion houses. So the other way that I recommend is by shopping in Harrods in particular. Harrods in central London is amazing for your deals on particular, like contemporary brands, including Acne, Off-White, Vetements, really good. And the last way to get really good discounts is by going to outlet villages. Like the best, like we have an amazing one. If you guys have never been to it in the UK, Vista Village, it's insane and they've just expanded. By fashion houses, I mean websites like Net-a-Porter, Ukes, The Outnet, and more that I will link below, which is basically just like an online Selfridges or an online Harrods. Late New Year sales are still going on. There's 80% off these designer prices. It's insane. My number 1 go-to website would normally be Net-a-Porter. So I'm gonna show you Net-a-Porter now. The way that I find my best deals is by filtering my results through highest discount percentage. You can see the biggest discounts, which are insane, 80% off. And when you're taking that off highly priced items, for example, these Chloe pants, originally £655, 80% off, it is now £131. Like that is insane. Because they are so highly priced, the percentage discounts make the price difference huge. Unfortunately, I do not have the money to spend endlessly on designer clothing. So I use these sales very productively, and I use them to find 3 different types of items. Number 1, typical items which boast brand. 2, statement items. And number 3, occasion wear. Let me take you through some of these now. I mean, it is expensive to have a £90 top, but if you want to show off your brand, Off-White and Vetements are really good for showing off t-shirts in these sales. All of this, really showy that you are wearing Vetements, but super classic and cute. I really like this t-shirt. This one is only 40% off. The best place to find deals for Vetements and Off-White in particular, if that's what you're looking for, is in Harrods. I bought an Off-White top which was £300 plus for £40, and exactly the same story with Vetements. I have found this Rains jacket, which I think is really cool. I think this is a statement piece. Like, it's not something that you'll be able to pick up in Zara. So it does also have this in the transparent, but I do not think that this is a statement piece because you can literally pick this up in Zara or in Topshop. But I think the black is really unique, and I think that it's a very fair price at £50. That's the kind of price you'll be paying for a see-through jacket these days anyway in Topshop. Okay, my second product is this Alexa Chung Patent Fox pencil skirt. I think this is really cute. And at 60% off, I mean, it could be a bit cheaper, but £130 for a leather skirt is really good. My third item are these gorgeous pink pants. You have pants like this in all the top designers like Victoria Beckham. Really chic. And I've chosen out these trousers as a statement item, obviously because of the color, but because of the slits in the sides. Right, so I really look out for the trousers and jeans in these sales because they are so tailored and they fit so much better than normal standard high street trousers. So in that way, I think £105 is completely fair enough when you've got 70% off. Like I said before, I really like online sales for occasion wear because you would be spending a bit more money on a nice dress for, say, your prom or any kind of event, and you can find the most gorgeous ones here. For example, this one is 80% off and it is gorgeous. It is so cute. And the tailoring is so nice that you would be spending this amount of money on, you know, Forever People, and you would not be getting the tailoring or the quality in these dresses. I think this is so cute. It used to be £720 and you're getting it for £140. It's insane. Like, those deals are crazy. Like, why would you not? Especially for your occasion dresses. It's a no-brainer for me on these sides. My second occasion dress that I have found is this beautiful satin gown, Holston Heritage, 80% off as well, down from $5.50 to a whopping £108. Like, come on, it's insane. And like I said, look at the tailoring, it is perfect. Oh my, it's just beautiful. It hugs your body so beautifully, and you would not be getting that in any other kind of dress from Topshop or your usual go-to online ASOS occasion wear dress. It's just a completely different league, and you feel so good in these clothes. So I hope you liked those little tips on finding your best deals. If you did like this video, then please hit that like and subscribe button, and my next video will be out in the next few days. Bye guys, always yours, Lemon Cheer.